Hello everyone. Welcome back to our REVIT class. Today on this video, I'll be showing you how to create your columns and beams. Okay, remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share so that you can get more updates on our videos whenever we post. Okay, so now on getting to create our column, what we need to do is we can go back to our floor plan, click on our floor plan. Let's go to architecture. Under architecture, we have we have floor, we have ceiling, roof. Okay, coming back to column here, we have column here. So you can click on this column arrow. Then we see we have structural column, we have architectural column. So you can click on architectural column, and then we come here, we fix it, and then we fix it. So when we fix it here, assuming here is the position we want the column to be. We click on this column, then we'll come back to our edit. Okay, let me show you how it will appear on on the 3D. You see, so see our column here. So now we can be able to edit this column. We can come here, select the click, and then type it. Say column name it as column 230 for instance. And then you click on it, and then you come back to our depth, and then we remain as 230. Our width, say okay, 230 by 230 millimeters, and we'll click on it. So now with what we're having here is at this level. So let's go back to let's go back to ground level, and then you can leave it at the floor level, but me basically I used to leave it at the ground level, and my reason is because I want to design practically just the way I can be able to achieve it on site. So on site, I know normally my column will not be will not be at floor level, so it's from the ground level. So that's why I'm positioning it at the ground level. And then again, come back to the top level, move down to lintel. You push it at the lintel. You should not touch my beam here. Okay, don't touch my beam here. So, but you know normally beam is one course ahead of lintel. So I'll put your 230. This is a 150 millimeter course, so but put it at 230. You see, now we're having we are having our column position here. So let's click on it now, and then go back to our flow level and be able to edit it where we want it. Okay, and then again, so for this one now, so we have edited this particular this one. We are able to click it and then scroll down to our column here, and then select our 230 if the column is the same, and then we take it to the level that we want. Okay, down to lintel, and go back to our white card at 230. Okay, so now we are having we are having our two columns. Okay, so now assuming this one now self, let's delete this column again, let's delete this beam. Okay, let's assume that it's now that we want to do the beam. So I'm going to go and insert beam, but the simplest way to get this beam is by using wall. Stand by using wall, because it's the same wall that you used to build and then do everything. You just use wall to create our beam. Okay, assuming that this is our beam here, so click from here. Okay, say let's click center, then go back to the center again. Okay, center. Finish it. So now you can be able to see it on 3D. I want to show you something. This is a basic normal wall. So now when you click on it, you're able to go to the top now. Let's start on the top. The top should be at the overhead cost, understand that? And then the base constraint now will come down to lintel level, and then you offset it to have 230. When you click on it, you see, so this is our beam, and then this is our column. is how to design our column. So for instance, now in this column you want it to be what, to be at double column. For instance, the width now should be 230, that's 450. Let's make it to be 450 for instance, and then let's apply it and see what works. You see, having it as what, double column. Can you see? So now this double column showing like this. So if you want it to be on the other way around, so you still go back to what, still go back to your edit, and then make this one to be 230, and then make the depth to be what, to be 450. Let's see something. Are we seeing it? So now it's what, it's a double column. So you can be able to modify. If you want to make it completely 600 by 600, you can be able to make it like this. So this is how to what, make our column, and then this is how to edit our beam. So if you want a chamfer beam, for instance, now a design beam, so you can come here again and then click on this wall edit, and then let's just have a chamfer for instance now. Then finish it. Let's see what will happen now. So you see, I want to have this type of wall, type of arc beam standard. So with wall it's more simpler and it's more easy to handle. Let's just go back to what, go back to the initial and doing undo. Don't want this arc design. Just show you for the sake of the class, so they can be able to understand what we are in. So now I've showed you how to what, create column, and then how to edit the column to suit your design. And then this is how to do your beam. Just use your wall, create your wall, and then use your what, use your constraints. That's constraints to determine both the top constraint and the basic top constraint to determine what, determine the level of what your beam. So I think in this video we have done justice to this video, how to create our column and then our beam. So for this at the basic level, and then we have to understand this basic first before we can handle some complex columns and then beams arrangement. So on this video, this is where we'll be stopping, but to give me this subscribe button, like and share this video for more updates. Thank you.